Suppose if you are viewing an image in this Windows computer, and if you want to close that image, then you will normally click this close button. So if you press this close after clicking this mouse, then you can close that window. And in today's video we discuss a shortcut for closing this image. That is, if you are viewing an image in your computer and if you want to close that image without clicking this here, then there is a shortcut key. For doing this, you must look this keyboard where you can see this is the control key and this is the W key. So if you press this control key and W key, these two keys at the same time, you must press this control key and W key, these two keys at the same time, then the image will be closed from there. Okay, I want to close this image, then I am not pressing here. Instead of pressing this here, I am going to simply click these two keyboard shortcut. That is, I press this control key and W key. I press these two keys at the same time and you can see that it will be closed now. Browsing something, again the same procedure. That is, if you press this control key and W key at the same time, then that will be closed. If you are in Microsoft PowerPoint or Word, again the same procedure. That is, you must press this control key and W key at the same time, then that window will be closed. So remember the keyboard shortcut is control W. For more videos like this, subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.